The Selenium Showdown. Java versus Python. Choosing the right language for Selenium automation is a game changer. Java or Python? Which one is best for you? Let's break it down, head to head. First, what is Selenium? It's an open-source framework that automates web browsers. Perfect for web testing, web scraping, and automating repetitive tasks. Now it's time for the ultimate face-off. Java versus Python in Selenium automation. First up, syntax and readability. Python keeps it simple, clean, concise, and beginner-friendly. Java, more structured, but requires a steeper learning curve. When it comes to ecosystem support, Python offers rich libraries and easy integration. Java has a robust ecosystem, but often requires more code to achieve the same results. Community matters. Python has a massive, active community. Java, on the other hand, has a long-established Selenium user base. Let's talk speed. Python offers good performance for most automation tasks. Java, however, edges out slightly better in execution speed. Which one works best across platforms? Python runs smoothly across different operating systems. Java follows the write once, run anywhere philosophy, making it highly portable. What about testing frameworks? Python supports PyTest and Unitest. Java works seamlessly with TestNG and JUnit. If you're considering Java, here's why it stands out. Strong IDE support with Eclipse and IntelliJ. Powerful cross-functional testing capabilities. Fine-grained parallel execution. Better handling of large test datasets. Ability to create custom test harnesses. On the other hand, Python has its own strengths. Simple, clean syntax, perfect for beginners. A rich ecosystem of automation libraries. Seamless AI and machine learning integration. Great for microservices and cloud-based testing. Faster script development and execution. Lately, Python has been gaining ground in test automation. Why? Its readability makes automation easier. Powerful frameworks like Robot Framework, and a shorter learning curve for new testers. So which one should you choose? Both Java and Python offer powerful Selenium capabilities. Your decision should be based on your team's existing skills, project requirements, and long-term maintenance needs. The good news: once you master one language, transitioning to the other is easier than you think. Still unsure? Need expert guidance? Our consultants can help you optimize your Selenium tests, no matter which language you choose. Now it's your turn. Which will you choose, Java or Python?